Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing Grapefruit Rosé from Bath & Body. So let's get in and let's get us into that review. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're reviewing Grapefruit Rosé, and if you saw my not my huge haul, but if you saw my haul with all the summer Bath & Body and body care, I just wanted to individually step by step go through each one, just kind of give you guys a first impression of each body care line. I'm so used to saying candle, so ignore me if I say candle by mistake. All right, so right off the bat, my first impression of this, it does have a grapefruit scent. So if you like grapefruity scent, this is going to be the one for you. So this is the notes, if you don't know, are sparkling grapefruit, frozen rosé, sunsplash, sugar. So let me see. So I smell a combination of, I don't know what rosé smells like, but I definitely smell a combination of light sugar and grapefruit. And then talking about the design, I love the design of the summer packages. They look so cute and they look like getting ready for summer. So if you go online, which as I'm recording this, it is available online. I always want to say that just in case. Online, this gets actually a 4.7 out of 5. So it seems like it's really good. So if you like fruity scents, then this more than likely is going to be for you. But I kind of like to give you guys comments from the reviewers on the website, so you can kind of have a better idea on if this is for you. So someone says 5 out of 5, love this. Perfection. The grapefruit is toned down just enough, but not too floral. It definitely is. It's not strong scented. That's why I said it's like light leaf sugar, because something's cutting through that grapefruit. Because if you think about grapefruit can be really sour, but this is not that soury taste that you would think of a grapefruit scent. It says crisp and refreshing, buying more. Someone else said 5 out of 5. Grapefruit is what I smell, and it's very fresh and clean. Someone else said 5 out of 5 all the way Jose with Grapefruit Frose. Okay, so they were trying to rap. All right, 5 out of 5, love it. This candle smells, candle, see? This smells amazing. Definitely can smell the grapefruit scent. I need it ASAP. I need the body mist ASAP is what they said. 5 out of 5, 3 out of 5, smells nice. The grapefruit is there, but it's not the same scent or similar to the grapefruit scent that they had a few years ago. The rosé scent throws it off slightly, not in a bad way, but it's different. If you like the citrus scent, you will like this one. I have the body spray and scent last 2 hours before having to reapply. Well, that's good to know. You always want to know if it's a strong scent or should you. Usually what I do, and I learned this a long time ago, is when you use this is going to be a shower gel. So if you use a shower gel with the same lotion, and use the body mist combined with that lotion is what's going to make that scent stronger. So always try to do that if you have the other collections of the line. Just try to add the other one, the other lines too. So someone else said 5 out of 5, sweet and floral. I just picked up it in the store. I like the scent. I got the body lotion and the mist. The grapefruit scent is there, but sugar scent makes it smell sweet. And rosé adds a touch of floral. And what's crazy is I don't like floral scents. So this one, I wasn't too sure if I was gonna like this one, but it does smell good and it's not floral at all, in my opinion. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried any of the Grapefruit Rosé line at all. And let me know in the comment section below what you thought. To me, it's not a strong scent at all, but let me know what you guys are thinking. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another video. And of course, let me know in the comment section below what has been your favorite body care so far. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.